Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies, and this is Commandery from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Commandery 1. In the United States, all regular assemblies of Knights Templar are called Commanderies, and must consist of the following officers: Eminent Commander, Generalissimo, Captain General, Prelate, Senior Warden, Junior Warden, Treasurer, Recorder, Warder, Standard Bearer, Sword Bearer, and Sentinel. These commanderies derive their warrants of constitution from a Grand Commandery, or, if there is no such body in the state in which they are organized, from the Grand Encampment of the United States. They confer the degrees of Companion of the Red Cross, Knight Templar, and Knight of Malta. In a Commandery of Knights Templars, the throne is situated in the east. Above it is suspended 3 banners, the center one bearing a cross, surmounted by a glory, the left one having inscribed on it the emblems of the order, and the right one a paschal lamb. The eminent commander is seated on the throne, the generalissimo, prelate, and past commanders on his right, the captain general on his left, the treasurer and recorder as in a symbolic lodge, the senior warden at the southwest angle of the triangle and upon the right of the first division, the junior warden at the northwest angle of the triangle and on the left of the third division, the standard bearer in the west between the sword bearer on his right and the warder on his left, and in front of him is a stall for the initiate. The knights are arranged in equal numbers on each side and in front of the throne. In England and Canada, a body of Knights Templars is called a preceptory. 2. The houses of residence of the Knights of Malta were called commanderies, and the aggregation of them in a nation was called a priory or grand priory. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.